What is going on, guys? In today's video we're reviewing, kind of giving a rundown on this 2004 Subaru WRX. This car was actually mine at one point. I bought it after I sold my 2.5 RS. I had a 2000 Subaru 2.5 RS. It's the two-door coupe, and then I bought this. I was like really into rally racing and stuff, and I thought I'd rally it, but once I got it I realized it was super clean and I couldn't do it to it. It's just a WRX, but it's actually really cool that this thing has zero mods, like nothing done to it, bone stock other than the wheels and tires I threw on it and then the spoiler my dad put on it. But other than that, this is the cleanest WRX I've ever seen. See the interior here, it's stock. My dad added a boost gauge to it, and then that's my old shift boot, or my shift knob from my old 2.5 RS I just threw on here. But my dad's taking really good care of it. It's super clean. It's like brand new. There's no aftermarket mods on the engine. I think it does have an exhaust, actually, now that I remember. I believe so. Some kind of cat back, but it's nothing crazy. Actually, that might be the stock exhaust. It's not too loud. It sounds really good. So here is the engine bay. Like I said earlier, it's all stock. There's nothing aftermarket with it, which is actually really nice. When I was looking for this, I just wanted a good daily that I could drive during the winter. All-wheel drive, fun car. Had a turbo. See the turbo right there. Stock turbo, I believe it's TD04. The wheels and tires, I don't know what I was thinking, but I got 17s for my 06 WRX and I wanted to switch things up, so I got 18s for this, and it's just way too big. My dad did buy coilovers for it, but he never put them on. Saved them for his STI over there. And one day he got bored and he just put the spoiler on it because he used to not have one, and he painted that himself. It looks really good. Matches really good. Other than that, that's pretty much it. There's literally like no rust on this thing. Super clean. A super solid daily driver. When I did own this, I dailied it. I loved it so much. It was like just a fun little daily. It wasn't super slow. Kept up pretty good in traffic. It was one of those cars where like you're not racing anybody in it, but if you needed to pass someone on the left and there's like oncoming traffic, you could do it super easily and wouldn't have to worry about anything. Yeah, there's really not much to it. All-wheel drive, 4-cylinder turbo, boxer engine. So we'll get into the driver's seat, and I'll take you guys on like a POV drive so you can kind of see what it feels like if you're looking at buying one of these. As you guys can see, it's not super fast or anything, but it does have some get up and go. It's just bone stock WRX, really reliable. It's just really good all-around car, good daily. Obviously you could mod this thing and have a clean slate to start with, but it's really not worth it when we have other cars to mod and stuff. Pretty sure my dad will be selling this pretty soon. It's kind of why I'm doing this video now, because when I go at college I won't have the chance to drive this thing. Super clean interior. I don't know, I just can't get over this thing. It's just so nice. this thing in probably a year or two. I remember I took it to college once, I think last year, so yeah, about a year. I took it on a long road trip to northern Minnesota 2 summers ago, and it was super fun. It made the drive interesting instead of just driving my Forester or something. And these seats are extremely comfy. They are just WRX seats, but I don't know, they are extremely comfy. I guess I haven't even looked at the boost gauge yet. I should see how much boost it's making. My guess is somewhere between 12 and like 18 or maybe even 20. The turbos on these are, they're not super big. They're the TD04, I believe, so they have quick spool time. Spool up really quick, give you constant power. I haven't been looking, but if I remember right, I think this thing hits boost at like 3K or maybe even a little bit sooner than that when you're rolling into the throttle, which is really early, like compared to my Evo. So it does get quick boost. If you guys are thinking about buying one of these, I definitely recommend it. The stocker the better, typically with Subaru. Alrighty guys, we're back from the drive. Hopefully you guys got a good idea of what it would be like driving one of these for yourself. Obviously you can't feel the car in the video or see how it really feels, but it gives you somewhat of an idea. Thanks again guys for watching. I appreciate every single view and every single subscriber on my channel. It really pushes me to keep making videos and gives me a hope that if I keep doing this someday it could grow into a really good thing. As for the WRX, probably won't be on the channel again. I don't think it will be. It's gonna be sold here pretty shortly, I have a feeling. If you guys are thinking about buying one of these, you guys can find my Instagram. I'll put it at the end of this video. And if you genuinely just have questions on if it's a good deal or not, send the car to me. I'll let you know. I've looked at the market for these things for years on end now, probably 6 years. So I kind of know what's good and what's bad. I've had experience owning one for probably the past 3-4 years, owned 2. So if you ever need help with anything, questions wise, leave a comment or DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you pretty quickly. And thanks again for watching and subscribing. See you in the next one.